You can add text to your design by simply clicking on the Add Text button. This adds a new text layer that we can easily edit. Take time to browse the font categories to find text that best matches your design. There are dozens of text styles in each category. You should have no problem finding a font that matches your design. For our banner, we will select a bold block text. Remember, we can easily change this text style anytime during the design process. Next, we'll uncheck the lock in the size editing field and size our text to closely match the banner. Now we can select a shape to make the text flow with the banner. You can see how easy it is to edit the text to make it seem as if it is on the banner. You can also use the curve option in the size editing field for this part. Now we can edit the inside color and outline colors of the text we've chosen by selecting colors from our main color palette. Here we can also adjust the size of the text outline. Now let's add another text layer to the top of our design, again using all the same tools to change the size and style of our text. Now we can select the inside and outline colors of our new text layer. We'll not make our outline too big because we're going to add another element to this text later. Now let's really add style to our text. First, we'll duplicate it. You can duplicate, cut, copy, and paste any layer in the Design Studio, but for now we'll just focus on the text layer. We now have two identical text layers, one in front of the other. Position the front text layer so that it is directly on top of the one behind. Now we can edit the colors and outline size of the text layer behind to make it appear the top layer has a double outline. You can do this by adjusting the outline color and size only, but for this tutorial we'll change both. Now let's give our text a nice shadow effect. First we're going to duplicate the white outline layer and move it behind the top two layers. Here you can see how easy it is to move layers forward and backward in the Design Studio. Now we can edit the inside and outline colors of this layer. Resize it slightly, offset it from the top two layers, and give our top text a nice shadow effect. At this point, we'll add the final elements to our design. For this design, we'll browse the clip art catalog for an eagle in the mascot category. Every new element you add creates a new layer on top of your design. We'll simply resize this element to fit the rest of our design. This step is all up to the designer. There is no right or wrong. Any element can be as large or as small as you want depending on your taste. Here again you can see how easy it is to resize, flip, or rotate any layer or element of the design. For small adjustments, you can use the arrows in the Layer Manager field to move your layers up, down, left, or right. Once again, notice that this new element added lots of colors to our main color palette, which will need to be edited for final output to print. Please watch the Edit Print Colors tutorial to see how easy it is to edit your master color palette to achieve the final print colors staying within the 5 color limit.